Big construction project in Lancaster County is about to get underway, and it could really affect the commute for several years. Evan Papalis joins us live in Lancaster with the details. Good afternoon to you, Evan.
Good afternoon to you too, James. The Route 222 and Route 30 interchange is set to undergo a major makeover over the next 4 years. The project includes a rebuild of Route 222 from the interchange approximately 1 mile to the north and adding a second lane to 222 south, leading to the merge with 30 east. This is the spot where major backlogs tend to happen during the morning commute and evening rush hour. So when it's done, 222 will go from 4 total lanes to 6. Also, the 2 bridges carrying 222 over Route 30 will be replaced, and the northbound 222 bridge will be widened to 2 lanes. As for Route 30, the biggest concern in the past has been the merge into 1 lane to get onto Route 222 north. A second ramp lane will be added to 30 east to help the flow of traffic. And right now, this area sees a ton of cross traffic, with drivers trying to merge into the same lanes to get to different places, which is causing a lot of confusion and also frustration.
It's a busy corridor. Route 22 averages about 60,000 vehicles a day, and Route 30 around 100,000 vehicles a day. So it's one of the busier corridors in the region for sure.
And I'll have more tonight at 5, going deeper in detail about the significance of this project to the Lancaster community and those who drive through this area each and every day. James?
And Evan, do we know when this construction is going to start?
So this construction was originally supposed to get underway this previous Sunday night, but now there have been a couple of delays, and now it's supposed to start as of Friday night, is what David Thompson from PennDOT District 8 told me. So we will have to see and wait until then. But for now, live in Lancaster, Evan Papalis, ABC 27 News.
Evan Papalis, thank you very much, live for us there in Lancaster.